Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me in
Welcome to my channel.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you for tuning in to this video. That's too much tuning. Tuning. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you again for tuning in to another episode of Bri on TV, where I'm your host who loves all things kids. I don't fucking know. I'm a 90s baby. So you are occasionally going to see me. I gotta show y'all the fit. You're occasionally going to see me in a lot of like kitty activewear, loungewear. Anyway, my name is Bri, because I'm your host, and I just butchered the fuck out of my intro. Today,
oh, boo-hoo. Let me play a sad song for you on the world's smallest violin.
today I'm coming to y'all. Like, I'm letting y'all know what's tea, because I'm not okay. I'm not okay because every summer since I've moved into an apartment, or this apartment, I get gnats. I don't fucking know why, bro. And it's like there's no fucking gnat specialist, not gnat enthusiast, gnat educator. There's one flying around now. I'll wait. But it's like nobody is educated or whatever in it enough to really like do that as a service. You know, like there's no gnat controller or personnel that you can contact to come and like decrease the amount of gnats that you get, like that you're experiencing wherever you live, whether it's a house, an apartment, a shack, a trailer, wherever you stay. I'm going to showcase to you just the amount of gnats that I have in my apartment. I have solidified a remedy, so that is what I will be showcasing in this video, because I know for a fact you can try to come at me all you want to about me having gnats, bitch. But I know a lot of other people who have gnats, because I'm not I don't fucking hide, like I don't hide it that I have gnats. I mean, as you can see when I showcase where the, you know, like the traps that I've set, you'll be able to see like I'm not a dirty person. You can see from my vlogs the way I carry myself, bitch. It's just like I'm very OCD. So the fact that I'm experiencing gnats, like it just doesn't sit right with me. It doesn't. For weeks I have been trying to concoct some type of experimental substance to kind of like, you know, attract them, kill them, poison them. But it's like, it's easier to fucking kill a rat than it is gnats. Gnats fly, they reproduce quicker, they're annoying, you know what I'm saying? Like a spider is like, ah, boom, kill that bitch, you know what I'm talking about? And then a rat is like, ah, you set a trap, boom, kill it. A roach, ah, boom, kill it. Gnats, they're this tiny, and they fly and they fly and they fly and they fly and they fly. I'm not okay. I'm not okay. So one thing I want to basically just not really inform y'all, but basically just discuss with y'all, because I'm not a gnat connoisseur, but I do just want to share some things that I feel like were tips that were shared to me. I don't know if it really helps, so that's where anyone watching this video will come in handy. But I have pest control coming to my apartment on a weekly basis now, because I'm not fucking playing with these gnats. Like, I'm not one of them, okay? I was told that the gnats could possibly be coming from my garbage disposal or my drain. So I put in a maintenance request to have maintenance change out my garbage disposal, because gnats lay eggs, and if they have formed a small community in there, I want them bitches gone, like die. So basically putting your top or your stopper on your garbage disposal, sink drain, is highly recommended. But normally I would always have like this cute stopper on it, and as you can see, they can fly right through it. So I want you to see that the remedy that I have created has been working. I don't know about y'all, but I counted at least 9 to 10 gnats that have died, and that's just in one trap. I'm going to showcase the other traps that I have set, so that way we can kind of count them up together. Because when I tell you, like, I'm not hiding the fact that I have gnats in my apartment. So that's why I'm showcasing to y'all the remedy that I have concocted that has helped me get rid of the gnats. Because like I said, I'm not the only one that has been experiencing gnats. So this is the other area. As you can see, it's also right next to the sink, where I have placed not one but 2 concoctions of my remedy, and we're gonna look at these together. But as you can see with this one, there's a gnat right there that's dead, and these gnats are big, bro. All right, so up close and personal. So for this one, I would say we can count at least 9 to 10, you know, dead gnats, and that's just in 1 cup. Another thing I want to talk about is I no longer have a trash can in this area. I threw away the trash can. It was just disgusting. It was literally infested with gnats, and so I just decided we're not gonna have no trash can. So I am now doing the trash bag method. If you grew up in a black household, then you know we see each other. So because I've been doing that instead of the garbage, I discard my trash every night, or if I eat food and I'm trying to throw away the food item, I discard that as soon as I'm done eating with it. No food item is left in the bag that sits in my apartment overnight. I have literally stacked up on apple cider because that is one of the ingredients that you would need to concoct the concoction to kill, poison, get rid of the gnats that you are experiencing. You're safe by, let's just say, leaving an open container of anything of any sort in your refrigerator. I have experienced, I think, majority of the gnats dying inside of my refrigerator, which had me thinking like there was some fucking dead body or something in my fridge that I just couldn't see. I was like, is there a dead rat, a dead snake? Like, I was so confused. So that's what I'm saying. Like, if you can help me out and let me know why the gnats are dying in the refrigerator, then please comment below. From what pest control told me, is because my fridge has a small gap for the gnats to come through and drink on liquid, and then the freezer and the refrigerator, the temperature is too cold for them to actually survive in. So that's why they're dying. I don't know if that's 100% true. Like I said, I don't know who's the gnat connoisseur, but help your girl out, please. But I cover everything, even my food. I double, like I can, you know, let's just say you eat out, let's just say a Chinese restaurant. Normally you'll just put the to-go box inside of the fridge. I'm not playing no games, and I don't do this. Like, This
I don't
ain't
know
me.
nothing about that lifestyle. Whatever y'all got going on, because that's
So
not
I
me.
was tie up my to-go box because I don't have time. Like, that is disgusting. I highly recommend getting some form of clear object, like whether it's a cup or a bowl, to put your remedy in, because let me show you what I was using before. I was using, like, what is this? I don't know what material this is, but I was using these plates that you can't see through, so I wasn't able to tell if my concoction was working. But as you can see, as I showcased to y'all, you can clear as day see the concoction is working because you have a clear bottom. Another reason why I am deciding to switch out the cups, even though I know the concoction that I currently have is working. I just personally feel like apple cider, the scent kind of dies down after a few days. So because I still see gnats flying around, you know, it just makes sense to switch out the remedy and get the dead homies out of here. Since I've already finished my batch, like I said, this makes me feel like I'm somebody's mama preparing like kids lunches and all of that crap. So I'm going to discard all the dead homies that wasn't able to see another day. Can't be glam, luxe, bougie with gnats. Like, I didn't ask for these gnats to come, so I'm just trying my best to get rid of them. But that doesn't mean I'm gonna stop living my lifestyle. Like, I'm still gonna burn my candles, and I'm still going to, you know, allow my aromatherapy diffuser to still, like, you know, provide that aura that I need in my apartment to feel sane, because these gnats are making me go insane. So we're gonna look together and see how many gnats have died from this concoction. For this shit. What did I even do to deserve this? Like, I'm not understanding. So the last thing I want to show you in regards to trying to get rid of your gnats, I seen on YouTube somebody recommended baking soda and vinegar and pouring it down here. You'll see the concoction that happens when you mix them together. cover your garbage disposal.